The freezer ice maker is in the top right area of the freezer compartment. The freezer ice maker is on by default when you receive the product. To turn the freezer ice maker on and off, locate the switch on the ice maker frame. The 1 icon or switch position indicates the ice maker is on. The 0 icon or switch position indicates the ice maker is off. Note: you do not need to turn the freezer ice maker off when the ice bin is full. The ice maker has an automatic sensor that stops ice production when the ice bin is full. If the freezer ice maker is on, it will make ice until the ice bin is full. It will start to make ice again after you remove ice from the ice bin. Refer to your model's owner's manual, quick start guide, or scan the QR code on your refrigerator for additional information.